everybody, I wanted to share with you this beautiful aloe vera that I think I put it in one of my plant hauls. I'm not sure. When I repotted it, I did not expect for this aloe vera to bloom. It's this little thing here is a bloom. Well, I can't wait for it to actually open up. And of course, I will put an update attached to this same video. Yeah, today is, let's see, September 20th. So let's see how long it will take for it to actually open up and bloom for me. I had aloe vera for so many years. And right over there, I have a huge one, which is not the same kind as this one, I believe. This is... or is it? I don't know. I can't tell the difference. It's big. And this one is very old. It's many years old. And you can see how it's empty in the bottom. It's because I pulled out nicely the leaves. Like I don't cut it in half. I pull out the whole leaf nicely without damaging the plant. And it always keeps on making babies. Now it has no babies because I removed all the babies. And I sold it or give it away because I also have given away free. I know my bad habit. I'm that type of person that likes to give away or do a swap, you know. That's my thing lately. This one I have for many years and it never bloomed. And this one I have just for a few months. I don't even know when I upload the video, but it's not that long. We're still not finished our summer, but it already has a little thing that looks like asparagus. To me, it looks like an asparagus. The tip of an asparagus. Oh my goodness. I just wanted to share the excitement. So let's see what happens. Hello. An update on the aloe vera. Here's aloe vera, but for some reason it has these stains. You see that? It has brown stains. I cut off a piece on the one that had stains, and I'm gonna have to cut off the stain here. I don't know what it is, if it's a disease or something, but here is the bloom. It looks like a little trumpet flower. It's not a big deal, but it's pretty. My first time I got bloom on the aloe vera, and that's as far as it opens. It's like tiny little tubes, and you can see the tip of it coming out the inside. I don't know if I can zoom in more. I don't want it to get blurry, but yeah, it looks like a face. And yeah, that's the bloom. It's just kind of unique, cute, but I'm having problems with these stains, these brown stains on it. Like, it's not like those other ones, that brown spots or whatever it seems to be pressed in or something. It's just some kind of stain. I don't know. It feels kind of a bit, I don't know, a bit sticky or something. I don't know if it's what it is. Anybody that knows, please comment below. I've quite had a high humidity and I regulated it, but I don't know if it's that because it's downstairs and it's not high. Upstairs it's higher, the humidity. But here I don't understand. And plus the soil, I noticed that it's not good since I didn't find the soil that I usually buy. So I bought a different soil and for some reason there's mold on the soil. It's crazy. I hate soils that do not come out good. Ugh, the things you have to go through with plants. Yes, my friends, so that's the update for the aloe vera. The bloom is just so cute. Very, very cute, as you can see. And sorry for the noise in the background. My dog is outside and now he wants to come in when I'm filming. That's the cute blooms. If you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos, comment below, thumbs up, and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.